Discount.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, US market had seen some marginal movement, positive, but nothing so great. Uh, Futures are also more of a flattish, whereas in Asia, various market are closed. China, Hong Kong, Korea are closed, and other market like Japanese, Japan, Australia, and all are showing some positive trend. Whereas if we talk about the commodity, yesterday we saw some corrections in LME, uh, in aluminum and copper, and today from yesterday evening it is more of a flattish. Oil has also seen marginal decline, whereas on the other hand, Israeli geopolitical tension because of the Israel and Lebanon are increasing. Even Israel has said that they are doing some ground, uh, targeting some ground penetration into Lebanon, ground attack they are doing. So, geopolitical tensions are increasing, though oil prices are remaining more of a stable, so showing some weakness. Uh, so overall, what we see that yesterday we saw a good corrections in Indian market, whereas the corresponding decline in the world market was not there. So this is more getting reflected as we were doing comparatively better in the last month and now are seeing corrections for that as we are nearing to the corporate results. And apart from that, even uh, after the stimulus by the central government in China, uh, central president has not indicated any further stimulus in their yesterday announcement. And also they had caution about the path for China growth in coming period. So that may be indicating that very aggressive stimulus may not be there in the coming period, and the fear of money moving away from India to China market may also get curtailed. So that can act a bit positive for India. So overall, what we see that there are some positive, negative. Today, auto figures will be coming, and most of the auto figures, except for two-wheeler, are likely to be subdued. We are not expecting any great growth in passenger car or CV, whereas two-wheeler will continue to see some growth, what we had seen in the earlier months. So that two-wheeler sector can further see some positive trend, but the other will remain subdued. Uh, so overall, what we see for the today's market is uh, more of a range bound trade, as we had seen a good correction yesterday. So there could be some marginal bounce back also in today's trade, but overall seems they will be remaining more of a range bound. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to expected to open on a flattish note, and we're likely to witness some range-bound trading session. From the last 2 days, we are continuously witnessing a profit booking into the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, and doesn't show any kind of a reversal sign as of now. But definitely, 25,800 was the crucial support level for the Nifty, and it had respected that levels on the closing basis, which gives some sort of a relief sign. But going ahead, if it's break that level today, then we're likely to witness more profit bookings towards 25,740 to 25,670 levels on the downside. Whereas on high side, as of now, the immediate resistance is placed at 25,870. As long as Nifty trades below 25,870, 25,900 levels, the view will remain a cautious. So we request the clients and the traders to book the profits on every rise as such, because this kind of a sell-off is likely to be continued in the near term as well. Coming towards the Bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, the 53,670 is the first resistance level. Any move above that level will see to some extension of this pullback rally towards to 53,840 to 53,900 levels. Whereas on downside, the support is placed at around 53,240 and 53,000 levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 24,800, 24,940 are the resistance levels we need to watch out, whereas the support is placed at around 24,540, 24,400 levels. Try to avoid the major long positions at the current levels. We will initiate the calls as per the market's movements after the markets gets open. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we have witnessed that in yesterday's session, the support got broken out where we are witnessing that 26,000 points acting as the immediate support for the market. Below that, 25,800 will act as the immediate support for the Nifty. On the Nifty spot, we have seen that the Nifty almost closed near 25,800 level, and in today's session also GIFT Nifty is likely to open on a flattish note around 10-15 points on the higher note. Once if Nifty on the today's session on the spot basis goes below 25,800 base, then we will expect the selling to be continued toward 25,500 level. Currently, the range for the Nifty for the overall weekly will be 25,800 to 26,200 level. Once if any pullback comes in the market and if closing on the Nifty front comes about 26,100 level, then only we expect the market tend to be on the positive side, or else nervousness will be witnessed from the upper end. In yesterday's session, we have seen the FI is also shown a strong selling of 99,700 crore. Selling was being witnessed from the FI front, due to which we expect the trend to be on the lighter note, and we expect the buying will be, there will be some break on the buying session in coming days of trading session. While on the OI position, we are seeing that from 25,900 to 26,200 strike call at the position got added up heavily against it, that the put at the positions started to getting liquidated and shifting on the downside towards the 25,800 and 600 strike. So once if Nifty in today's session or next 1 to 2 days of trading session goes below 25,800 level, then we should exit some short position and get converted towards a short, exit some long position and get converted towards short towards the 25,500 to 400 level on downside. While on the stock specific and sector specific front, metal, pharma, and finance sector looks positive. Selective counter will be JSW Steel. Looks positive in today's day of trading session. We have recommended that counter, and we have seen that a strong rally has been witnessed in yesterday's session. Another metal counter that looks positive will be National Aluminium and Jindal Steel. These two counter looks positive from the metal front, while on from the finance stream, Bajaj Finance and M&M Finance looks positive for next 1 to 2 days of trading session. So that's it from derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. From the fundamental side, Piramal Pharma Limited yesterday announced $80 million expansion plan for sterile injectables facility in Lexington. The site specializes in sterile compounding, liquid filling, and lyophilization for sterile injectable drug products that plays a crucial role in integrated ADC development and manufacturing program. Currently, the site can manufacture 104 product batches per year, and the expansion will increase over to 240 annual batches, which is expected to completed by Q1 of FY27. This will enable to support the increased market demand for the product. So this is positive for the company. Ipca Laboratories subsidiary Bayshore will sell 9 NDAs to US-based Unichem for $2.65 million, along with its generic business for $10 million. This is to integrate and consolidate all the Ipca Group's USA generic formulations business under the one entity. So this is neutral. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories announced that its Switzerland-based subsidiary has completed the acquisition of UK-based Haleon's global portfolio of consumer health brands outside of the US in the nicotine replacement therapy. The company has completed the acquisition with the payment of pound 458 million. The acquired portfolio consists of Nicotinell, a global leader in the NRT category, with an extensive footprint in over 30 countries covering Europe, Asia, and Latin America. So this is positive for the company. Thank you.
Apart from this, yesterday RBI came up with a circular giving indication that the lot of mis-selling practices or operational misconduct are happening in gold loan. So this can have restrictions on various company to grow the gold loan faster, specifically fintech company and all. So that can have a positive impact on incumbent like Muthoot Finance or Manappuram Finance. So the aggressive competition which has emerged in gold loan from the fintech side can have some restrictions because of this. So seems positive for the incumbent players. Apart from that, today morning, Mahindra has declared its automobile sales number for September month, and the numbers are ahead of expectations, specifically in the auto side, wherein the sales has come at somewhere 87,800 numbers versus expectation of 80,000, and the year on year it's grew by 16% and month on month by 14%, seems quite positive. Whereas tractor sales remain marginally lower versus expectations and came in at 44,250, whereas expectation was 45,750 units. So this is again a growth of around 2% year on year. So overall for the March month, for the Q2 month, the sales has increased by around 7.4% year on year, combining both automobile and tractor sales. So that's all from us. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in yesterday's session, we had witnessed profit taking in commodity across the commodity, and we are expecting some pullback for the day. In gold, the December contract one can initiate a buy around 75,500 with a stop loss of 75,250. On upside again 75,800, 76,000 is the level where we are expecting profit taking. And silver also one can expect a pullback till 91,500 to 92,000 levels. So buying around 90,600, 500 is recommended with a stop loss of 89,800. And in metals, copper also corrected yesterday, and we are expecting some pullback. So for a pullback, the October contract we are expecting 856, 857, whereby one can initiate a sell and maintain a stop loss of 860 2, and on downside we are expecting prices to test 845 to 842. And in zinc, one should sell around two 283.50 and maintain a stop loss of 285. On downside again 280, 270 is the 278 is the target we are eyeing for. Again 278 is attractive levels to buy, so one can initiate a buy around 278 with a stop loss of 276. And crude oil, again a pullback till 58 20 58.50 is expected. All in all, it is in a range from 56.50 to 58.50. So buying around 57.20 5700 with a stop loss of 56.50 is recommended. And natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 240, 238, whereby one can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 230. On upside, we are eyeing for 250, 255 as a target. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.